What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? What's happening? What's happening? It's your boy Jay Cobb. What's up? What's up? So if this is your first time ever tuning in to any of my videos, my name is Jermaine Cobbins, and my goal is to help network marketers and home business entrepreneurs to build their brand in their business using online and offline strategies. So if you had to be catching this video or this training on Facebook, be sure to drop me a comment. All right, like this video, share this video, and also there should be a link in the comment section. Send you guys to my fan page where I do a lot of trainings and things like this. Also, if you're catching this video on YouTube, be sure to drop a comment as well, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so I'm about to share with you guys 5 things that's killing your business if you're using Facebook. All right, and I think a lot of people really don't understand the value of Facebook, all right, or any other social media platforms. But for the sake of this video, I want to talk to you guys about Facebook, and I want to give you guys 5 things that you may be doing, or maybe you see other people doing, whatever the case may be. But anytime you're doing this video, be sure to, let some emojis fly, drop a comment, let click the like button, subscribe if anything resonates, or if you get value. All right, so let's dive into it. Of course, this is my personal fan page, and also here's my business page. All right, and we're gonna talk a little bit about both. All right, but for the sake of it, I know a lot of people have personal pages that they use to run their business. All right, but there are 5 things that may be killing you. All right, so the first thing, guys, is your profile picture. All right, now as you can see, it's a picture of me. All right, got a smile on my face, kind of look like an entrepreneur, I think. But it's a picture of me, all right? It's not a picture of my dog. It's not a picture, of me and my best friend. It's not a picture of my product, which we'll talk about that later in this video. This is a picture of me, all right? No cartoons, anything like that. And, I know we all have different interests and things like that. But my thing is this. If you're using this for business, you may want to pay attention, all right? The second thing is your cover photo, all right? Now, a lot of people really sleep on the cover photo, and I used to, right? But we learn, and that's really the point of this video. But your cover photo should really be a bigger scale of kind of who you are or what you stand for, all right? Not so much as what you do, but it should speak without saying anything, if that makes sense, all right? And as you can see, the photo that I have in my cover page is basically a nice little quote, all right, and me sitting in a potential dream car, man. Now, mind you, this is not my, Lamborghini, but I never really thought that high of exotic cars, and ever since I come into this space, I see a lot of, people driving exotic cars, living their life, just, doing it, right? And this thing it became one of my, I guess you could say one of my desires. And I have always been into cars and motorcycles. And, long story short, guys, me sitting in this car, it was just like, I could have never imagined, and I just wanted to take a picture of the car, but God was like, hey, man, get on in there. He actually took the picture. So, this is just one of those things, man. But anyway, make sure it's something that speaks to your potential people that come to your page, all right? Also, the third thing, guys, is your bio. And as you can see, I have my bio right here, all right? Your bio, all right? Or your introduction. But a lot of people with this bio, a lot of times they do the generic weight loss, whatever your product or service. I don't want to pick on any niche, but whatever your product or service, people normally kind of put this is what they do for as a company replicated type bio, right? Company names in some instances, maybe the product name, right? I've seen people use the ask me how, which that's cool, but it's just all about evolving, guys. We all started somewhere. And as you can see with mine, I connect with people all over the world, showing them a roadmap to creating their ideal lifestyle. Now, it doesn't say what I do. It doesn't say what company I'm in. It doesn't say it's not spammy, right? It's nothing that when people read it, they say, oh, I know what he do. My cousin does that. And that's the whole point. You want to keep your bio something that will make people say, like, let me check this person out. So take a look at your bio after this training and just see what is it that you have, and just think as if you were going to someone's page. If you've seen that, what will go through your mind? And myself, connecting with people, showing them a roadmap, like, okay, a roadmap, that's pretty, forth driven, right? And ideal lifestyle. I mean, who doesn't have an ideal lifestyle? So if I help people, with a roadmap to creating that, I mean, they want to check me out, I believe. All right. The fourth thing is frequent product posts. Okay. And I'm gonna use an example. Okay, we just use somebody for example. I'm just gonna type in Herbalife, health and wellness, and nothing against health and wellness. When I first come into this industry, I started in the health and wellness industry. All right, we're gonna go to people. All right, and let's see. The thing about doing these live trainings, you have to actually pick on somebody, right? So let's see what Ebony got going on here. Pretty self-explanatory. Nothing too, but it does have Herbalife in her name, right? So you don't want to name yourself after your company. Okay. Let's see. Herbalife Jackie. Okay, just for an example, guys. Okay, all the things I mentioned. Profile picture has Herbalife, not a picture of her. Of course, Herbalife coach, and I mean, if she coaches, she coaches. But Herbalife is not her brand. I don't think she's the owner, but Herbalife is not her brand. And I know we get excited and we want to brand ourselves and use our company name. But this is a no-no, because people are going to be like, hey, my cousin does this, or my brother done this, or, I don't want to be associated because they're going to try to pitch me, right? And as you can see, no cover photo. So there's nothing there, right? Also, this is not really a good page, but as you can see, sharing a lot of testimonials are good when it comes to health and wellness, but it's just watching the name of the actual person. All right, let me see pages. Let's see. We'll talk about this. Okay, so this is someone's fan page. All right, I believe. All right, so it doesn't have her name, but it does have Herbalife. And it's just the products. Just products, right? And nothing really of value unless you're looking for Herbalife products. So let me ask you, how many of you, when you think of buying products, how many of you go to Facebook to buy? More than likely, none of you. But in some instances, you may click on things that may lead you to a website, or lead you to a capture page, or a funnel, or may lead you to a store, and you may, potentially buy it. But I promise you, you're not thinking I need to head over to Facebook and buy something, right or wrong. Okay. And that's kind of what you're doing with your audience. Okay. My page has a lot going on, right? But I normally do quotes. Of course, like this video will be on there. A lot of quotes, pictures of myself, books and things like that, family. Nothing company replicated. Okay, I do some live audio broadcast. Try to just share content, which would be the next thing. All right, but speaking on my fan page or business page, it kind of shows what I do. I help network marketers, right? Also, it has videos of me, and which leads me to my fifth and final tip is content. Okay, and this is content, guys. All right, this is content. All right, and the thing is this: understand, guys, that content is something. I feel like it's the fastest way to get people drawn to you, to get people's attention. All right. Of course, speaking to the right audience, but it's one of those things. And a lot of people think like if they're in a health and wellness company that their content should just be strictly their products, what products are on sale, testimonials, in which those are good, but there are so many ways to build your brand, build your business that's health related, that's not your product related, if that makes sense. And I just want you guys to understand that, you have to have content, and content is tips, strategies, video content, right? Something that can help someone. And just remember this, guys, like looking at my bio here, back to my bio, it's not about me. I connect with other people, right? But I show them, right? I show others a roadmap to creating their, not mine, their ideal lifestyle. And just remember this, that people don't care what you do, right? You could be a top real estate agent. You could be a top affiliate. Like, it is what it is, but people just want to know what is it that you can do for them. And as long as you can keep that congruency in your message, your videos, your content, putting yourself out there, it's going to attract people to you. All right. So it's one of those things, guys. I mean, I hope you guys are actually getting value. And if so, like I said, be sure to leave a comment. But here's the deal, guys. We're starting off 2018, and I know a lot of you guys are still branding and building your business this way. And if it's not going to help you, right? It's just really digging you further, and more than likely you're going to end up quitting. You're going to say it doesn't work. You're going to get frustrated. Look, guys, for the month of February, what I'm doing right now, I'm taking early registrations from February the 1st through February 28th. I will be actually cutting a 25% deal on my coaching program. All right. And you can actually register for that either in the link above or in the link below, depending on where you actually watching this video. But only for the month of February 2018, I'll be taking 25% off of my coaching package. And I have, 1 hour sessions. I have 2 to 3 sessions per month. I have a 90-day run if you want to connect with me for 90 days, work with me personally, and I will basically just help you to change things, put you in front of some good resources, some different tools, things that would just really take your business and your brand to the next level, starting this year. So other than that, the special is only between February the 1st and February the 28th. There should be a survey, like I said, above or below, depending on where you're watching this. Anytime after February 28th, it will be back, full price, which is pretty reasonable. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys got value. Be sure to reach out to me, like this video, share this video, and leave me a comment. All right, it's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.